Today, let's delve into the fascinating world of berberine, a compound that's gaining traction in the health community akin to the renown of turmeric. Berberine is not just another trendy supplement, it's backed by extensive research showcasing its multifaceted benefits, particularly for cardiovascular health. Firstly, berberine acts as a potent antiarrhythmic agent. Arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats, can stem from imbalances in intracellular calcium levels. Berberine steps in by reducing intracellular calcium, thus stabilizing the heart's rhythm and lowering the risk of arrhythmias. Moreover, this compound exerts a positive impact on blood pressure and enhances the heart's performance, fortifying it against potential threats like heart attacks and ischemia, a condition caused by reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. Berberine also influences potassium channels, aiding in the regulation of calcium influx into cells. This is crucial as low potassium levels can lead to calcium overload, exacerbating arrhythmias. By modulating these channels, berberine helps maintain the delicate balance of electrolytes within cardiac cells. Beyond cardiovascular benefits, berberine showcases its versatility. It serves as an anticoagulant, reducing the risk of blood clot formation, and exhibits antimicrobial properties, making it effective against infectious diarrhea and acting as a natural antibiotic. Interestingly, berberine emerges as an immune stimulant, bolstering the body's defenses against pathogens. Its anti-tumor and anti-cancer properties are particularly noteworthy, with ongoing research exploring its potential in combating various types of cancers. Furthermore, berberine demonstrates promising anti-diabetic properties. By improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar levels, it presents a viable option for managing diabetes. Some studies even suggest its efficacy rivals that of conventional medications like metformin, though consultation with a healthcare professional is advised. Berberine's scope extends to mitigating the adverse effects of caffeine, which can trigger arrhythmias in susceptible individuals. By blunting caffeine's impact, berberine contributes to cardiac stability. Lastly, its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties make berberine a valuable ally against conditions like bursitis, tendinitis, arthritis, and viral infections. In summary, berberine emerges as a powerhouse compound with far-reaching health benefits, particularly in cardiovascular health and beyond. Its multifaceted nature, supported by scientific research, underscores its potential as a valuable addition to health regimens. However, as with any supplement, consulting with a healthcare provider is recommended before integration.